Wagwan people, you don't know, we're there. Hope everybody good and thing, you know what I mean? Hope you stay safe in that terrible time, yeah, you know what I mean? Hope you wash your hand, hope you know what I mean? Do what you have to do for you. You don't know, stay safe and thing, you see it? Because more and more people, me know, you see me, I say, I end up catch that thing, I say, you don't know, say, you know, you know, match up, you know, match up, you just, you know what I mean, keeping yourself nice and clean and safe. Is it? But yeah, peeps, you don't know, as me that say now, we in the kitchen again, you know what I mean, I know it's a good while now, I don't get a video of me and chef up some nice food, you know what I mean, so you don't know, so I have to match up that phone and thing, is it? Yeah man, so I'm gonna match up now, I'm gonna match up some chicken steppers, you know what I mean, for people you know to understand, I'm gonna match up some chicken food, you see, you know what I mean, and I'm gonna match up some swimmers as well, you know, so you know, just stay tuned for that one because you don't know, it always mad, but you know, just stay tuned for that one because good one now, me myself, I chef up some nice food for you and thing, you see me, I say, but we back at it, we back in the kitchen, you know what I mean, so we're gonna chef up some chicken steppers as me say, Virtuous style, you see it? Big up on a nice clean self people, and as me say, make sure so you do what you have to do, you stay safe. You see me I say? Do what you have to do, make sure you have to work, make sure you wash your hand, make sure you sanitize your hand. You see me I say, make sure you stay clean and you don't know social distance and all kind of thing. You see me I say? Do what you have to do, you stay safe. Because they all find a new strain that come from Brazil now, so I don't know. Anyway, so yeah people, you don't know, this is what up on the menu today. You don't know, we have some sweet pepper, we have some scallion, we have some carrot with some Irish, you see me? Some onion, pepper, we have pepper and tomato. This are for swims, you see me? I say I curry them down here and this some coconut milk. And yeah, see me in attraction you know. It's like chicken steppers them, you see it? Then well thaw out already, so what I'm gonna do now, I cut off and nail them and just call them off in the meantime. You see me I say people? Yeah man, ready up now. So yeah peeps, what I'm gonna do now, just cut off the toenail them off for the chicken foot. You see me? Yeah man. So you see like them thing here, you have to just do some boom and just cut them off. So what me do like how them done thaw out already, just do some boom. See? Gone. But yeah, I just do that for you, rest of them.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't.
So yeah people, you don't know, we cut off the toenail them, wash them again, and we drop them in the water. We'll go and boil up in the meantime. So yeah, we just make that go and do the thing. What I'm going to do now, I'll cut up the vegetable them and get that started, see me? So yeah peeps, you don't know, we'll cut up this now, sweet pepper, you know what I mean? And then we're going to do now, wash him and then bust him and then, you know, cut him up in that. So I'm like to do now. So yeah, you don't know, as me say, them thing I make a sweet pepper, yeah, bitter, you see it, so I have to just do some boom, kaboom, yes right, and you know what I mean, and then after you don't know, cut it so, cut it so. Next panel is tomato, you see me? Yum.
I never make promises.
And next one.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.
See, the pepper there for the swimmers, you see me? The tomato, sorry. Don't know. Some garlic, you see me? Garlic have to run on it. What me do? Put him so, tear him off. Put him so. And just, you know? Show now again. Cut off the hard part at the bottom. Tear it. That's it. Come right out. Garlic done. Don't know. And that is 2 scotch bonnet in it. Drop in the next one. Yes, so you don't know carrot. I don't know with the carrot here, you know? Scrape him, and then wash him off, is it? Don't know what next one. I drop in a potato now. I go peel it first and then go wash it off, you see me? I'm gonna do some boom now and peel the next one and drop him in, is it? Alright. Next on the list now, straight onion, you see me?
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.
I'm gonna drop piece of scallion in it now. You see me? What me do? Cut off the root. Take off the first piece, first part. You see me? That I step out there now. Alright, so that I all seasoning night now. You see me? Carrot, potato, Irish, you see what I say? Sweet pepper, tomato, scallion. Drop some thyme in it now. So yeah people, this is when I chicken foot pasty, you know them are going to boil out same way. You see me? What am I going to do now? Start work on the swims, and then I go work from there. So you see me? So I'm soon forward back. So yeah, peeps. What am I going to do now? Just throw some curry powder on it. You see me? So lock it. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, everything rub up. You don't know. Yo. Smell nice, man. So what am I gonna do now? I throw some oil in a Dutch pot. Throw some oil in a Dutch pot. I make the Dutch pot go on, you know? Get hot in the meantime. So yeah, people, as I say, what am I gonna do now? Let's try this. Yeah, what am I gonna do now? I just throw some oil in the Dutch pot, yeah? Make it go on, you know? Hot up in the meantime, and then after I go chop in them, yeah. But before I chop in them, yeah, I go throw some more curry powder in the pot, in the oil as well, and make that go and cook out for a few. And then I go throw everything in there and make it go on, you know, steam out and nice up. Then I go season up the chicken foot them, cause then still let that boil same way, then still let that steam out. And what I go do after that now, throw the chicken foot them in the Dutch pot and make everything just finish off and there so. And then I go start work on the swims them, you see me? So I'm gonna match up the whole of that and on the journey in the meantime, is it? So yeah. As I say, throw the oil in there already. So I throw some more curry powder and make that go and do the thing there so. Is it? So I'm gonna go journey back in time and start fire out a little bit and show you what I go. Yeah man, so see it now please, it'll take time, you know? You don't want the curry burn, you know, you just want it to get nice and brown up and, you know? You don't want the raw curry taste either, you see me? So, yeah man, that's how my mother teach me how to mash it up anyway. When I deal with the curry, cook it out a little bit and make it get nice and brown, you see me? Alright. Alright, peeps, see it there now? Right, color that now, so what am I gonna do? Taste it. You see me? Just drop them in. Drop them in. See your side. Yes, it will take time come up there now. Look colorful though. Yes, I. Yo, man, tell you, it smells nice, you know. Children don't know. Just say things like that, people. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, make that go and do the thing, and I'm gonna season up the chicken foot now, you see me? So I'm just put the steppers them in a container where they have the seasoning in it. So I'll just sprinkle the curry powder upon it too. You see me I say? Remember, you know, curry in a pot already, you know, you see me? You don't want to put too much, you see me I say? But I just want to get the color. The sight. You see it? Yeah. You know, too yellow, but through the curry already in a pot already, you see me? You know, too want to put too much. You understand what I say? So, alright, what am I gonna do now? lock it back. You understand? And just make it go on, you know? Marinate and all kind of thing. You see me I say? I'm sure now in a pot of steam now. You see me? So they might take time steam out, you understand? They might take time do them things, so this I do some boom now. You see me? And turn them. And everything, you know? Yeah, man, make everybody rub up on one another and cook out nice and you understand what I say? Clean. Straight, one away. So I'm soon forward back. So yeah, peeps. What I'm gonna do now, like how the pot done a bubble up and thing, just wanna, yeah, just like that, just drop them in. So yeah, like how, so I stir them up. Make sure say everybody rub up on one another, you understand what I say? Everybody gets in a business if you no can't swim, but you no go in which part? Right in. You understand? Yeah, look on that, man. All who did die bottom forward up high top. You understand what I say? Just like that. Just like that. Push down them, man. Alright, I'm going to max it up and see what I'm going to find now. So yes people, you don't know, we just finished, you know what I mean? Hope you enjoy the video. The nose kind of run because that tasty food and the food full of pepper and thing. You see what I say? But yeah man, hope you enjoy the video, you know what I mean? Make sure you comment, you like and you share and plus make sure you subscribe, you understand what I say? As I say, my eyes might look like say, I look here, I look there, so but sometimes I'm looking at the lens and sometimes I look on the phone screen, so you look away, you see what I say? But yes, Virtuous Nation, you don't know, a long time when I never get a video like this, me in the kitchen, but you don't know, as I say, we're back on it again. Want to big up on a nice clean self, make sure you stay safe and you don't know no matter up on a thing, you know what I mean? So until next time people, you don't know the Virtuous man himself and he must sign out, you see what I say?